January 15, 2026, ticks, just hours ago, a brand new U.S. immigration law was passed that will change the journey for
January 15, 2026, just hours ago, a brand new U.S. immigration law was passed that will change the journey for millions of green card holders, visa applicants, and those still waiting in line. This is not another rumor or proposal. This is now the law of the land. If you have a green card, if you're waiting for one, if you're on H-1B EB category or even dreaming of the diversity visa, you need to hear this today. Because while this law brings real hope, faster processing, new pathways, more green cards, it also comes with serious new rules and traps that can derail your case if you're not careful. In the next 50 minutes, we'll walk through what exactly changed today, the biggest benefits. Some categories could see decisions in months, not years. The hidden risks that green card holders are facing right now: travel, renewals, public charge flags. Who benefits most? Nurses, doctors, entrepreneurs, dreamers? And the practical steps you must take immediately to protect your status. This is your moment, but it's also a wake-up call. Stay with me until the end. I'll give you the checklist that could save your immigration future. The headline everyone is talking about: USCIS must now process most employment-based green card applications within 180 days. That's huge. For years, people from India, China, Philippines, Mexico, and others waited 10 to 20 years in backlogs. This law allocates funding for more officers, better tech, and digitization, so cases move faster. Premium processing, 30 to 45 days for a fee, is now expanded to more categories. Even better, 25,000 extra green cards are set aside annually for healthcare workers. Nurses, doctors, home health aides, physical therapists. No labor certification required, just proof qualifications and fair wages. This is life-changing for workers from the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, India, people who have been holding the U.S. healthcare system together for years. Story example: a nurse from Manila waiting 12 years could now see her green card in under a year. That's not hype, that's the new reality under this law. Now the part green card holders cannot ignore. New stricter rules for time spent abroad, over 6 months outside the U.S. without a re-entry permit, automatic review/flag on return over 1 year, and high risk of losing status unless you prove strong U.S. ties, job, home, family. New requirement: annual online residence confirmation, a simple 5-minute form. Skip it? Your file gets flagged, delays, or worse. Public charge rule is strengthened again. If you've used certain benefits, Medicaid, food stamps, housing aid, for more than 12 months in any 36-month period, it raises red flags on renewals, travel, or naturalization. Real example: a green card holder from Nigeria travels home for 8 months to care for a sick parent, returns to secondary inspection and a notice to appear. This law makes those cases much riskier now. Dreamers/DACA. Pathway to permanent green card if continuous U.S. residence, no serious crimes, education, or military service. Prioritized processing goal: 12 months. Fee assistance available. Startup visa. Entrepreneurs raising $250,000 and creating 5 U.S. jobs straight to green card. EB5 investors. Investment threshold lowered to $500,000 in rural/high unemployment areas. Faster path. Story spotlight: a young DACA recipient from Mexico, now a college graduate, can finally apply without fear. Or a tech founder from India launching a startup. This law opens doors that were closed. Mistakes that can cost you everything under the new law: traveling abroad for too long without a re-entry permit, missing the annual online confirmation form, using public benefits without understanding the 1236-month rule, not updating USCIS address or biometrics, promptly ignoring biometric renewal notices. Every 10 years now. Step-by-step protection guide. Apply for re-entry permit before long trips, set calendar reminders for annual confirmation, gather proof of U.S. ties, tax returns, mortgage, job letters. Consult an immigration attorney now, especially if your case is pending. Keep digital copies of everything. One small oversight can turn hope into heartbreak. But preparation turns risk into opportunity. This law is a double-edged sword: faster paths for some, stricter traps for others. It targets abuse while rewarding genuine contributors. For green card holders who have built lives here. Stay vigilant, stay compliant, stay hopeful. For those still waiting, this could be the breakthrough you've prayed for. The immigration journey is never easy, but laws like this remind us that change is possible, even in difficult times. If this video helped you understand today's massive change, drop a like. Comment below. Where are you from? What's your immigration status? Are you excited or worried? Subscribe and turn on notifications. More updates coming as this law rolls out. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep hope alive.